Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Let's go over the dance with the steps. Weights on the left foot, leaving my right foot completely free to step out on my right and do heel switches to the right. Heels out, heels in, coaster step, back together, forward. Same thing with the left, step forward on the left, heel switches out to the left and back, coaster forward. Section 2, we're going to do a rock, forward with our right, back with our left, and triple half turn. Next section, we're going to do a rock forward, rock back, and we're going to do a coaster step with a cross. So we're going to do a back, together, cross. Next part, we're going to do a grapevine step to the right. So it's going to be a side, behind, side with a touch, and that's where we clap. Then we're going to do a rolling grapevine to our left. We're going to step, turn, step, clap, clap. Next section, this foot's free to bring it out to the front. We're going to point our right foot to the front, out to the side, sailor shuffle. We're going to do the same thing with our left foot. Point it out to the front, out to the side, sailor shuffle. And this is where we repeat the dance on our second wall. Now let's go over the dance with the counts. Weights on our left foot, leaving our right foot free. Stepping forward, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And now we're ready to start the dance at our new wall. This dance has one restart and one tag. The restart comes first and it comes on wall 4 after your first 16 counts. You will be on your 6 o'clock wall when you start your wall 4, so I am going to walk through the restart. So we are here, we're going to dance the first 16 counts, so it's going to be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is where we'll restart it. You will hear it in the music. You're just going to step forward and start the dance all over again with your heel switches. And it continues from there. And that's your restart. There's also one small tag in this dance. It comes on wall 9. Wall 9, you will be facing your 6 o'clock wall as well for wall 9. So at the end of the 8th wall, we just did a point, point, sailor step, point, point, sailor step. We do the tag right here. It's going to be a rocking chair. It's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we repeat. We start into the dance. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and we continue the dance from there. And that's Goin Hamm. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.